Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the password and biometrics. Now let's take a look at the biometrics. At the very first option we've got add fingerprint, so simply tap on it. And here I've got a disclaimer. So if you've got the password or pattern currently set, then just like me, you will have to enter it and then go to the another step. If not, you will really have to set it right now. You will be also able to decide what will be displayed on the lock screen. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without going through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all the data. So if you do not have the screen password, then simply enter it, simply add it, so you will be able to go to the next step. If you've got it, just enter it. And here we've got some tips. So if you've got the screen protector, it may affect the sensor because the sensor is located on the screen, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, here we've got the information, we've got the animation. We have to put our finger on the sensor until we will feel the vibration. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. So just tap on the sensor. Okay, and right now we have to enroll our finger, so it means that we have to add more of the corners, I would say. Of course, again, for better recognition. And it's quite easy in this device. It's very intuitive. So right now you can add another fingerprint if you want to. If not, just tap on done. I don't want to add a face unlock. So here we've got the fingerprint settings, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it, of course, if you want to, just by tapping on the trash bin icon, or rename it. So why not? Just tap on it and just rename it. You can add the fingerprint as I said, and here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So after tapping on it, you can set the screen unlock, which is defaultly active, but also for the app lock or private safe. You've got the fingerprint animation here, of course. Also, and as you can see, we've got 8 options to choose from. Of course, again, it's up to you if you want to change it. If not, let me leave it like this. All you have to do is to simply tap on it and it will be set automatically. Here you've got also the option to show the fingerprint icon on the screen lock, so you can show it or keep it turned off. I will leave like this. So let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device. And as you can see here, we've got the fingerprint sensor, so we can put our finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.